Good day, seekers of the enigmatic. Prepare to embark on a journey through the labyrinth of the mind, where we'll delve into a world of puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers. Consider this riddle to kick things off. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Take a moment to ponder and don't rush. The answer is an echo. An echo speaks when you do, hears your words, and comes alive when it rebounds off surfaces, particularly in windy conditions. Moving on to a puzzle. Imagine a chessboard. There are 8 rows and 8 columns for a total of 64 squares. If you place 1 grain of rice on the first square, 2 on the second, 4 on the third, and continue doubling the grains on each square, how many grains of rice will be on the 64th square? The power of exponential growth is at play here. The answer is a whopping 18 quintillion, 446 quadrillion, 744 trillion, 73 billion, 709 million, 551,615 grains of rice. Now let's up the ante with a slightly more challenging riddle. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case, from which I am never released. And yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? This one may be a little tricky, but it's all about thinking outside the box. The answer is a pencil lead. As we delve deeper, observe this brain teaser. A man has a bee in his hand. What's in his eye? This one involves a play on words. The answer is beauty. Why? Because beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Let's recap. We began with an echo, moved on to exponential growth on a chessboard, pondered a pencil lead, and ended with beauty in the eye of the beholder. The answers to our puzzles and riddles often lie in lateral thinking, looking beyond the literal, and considering different aspects of language and logic. We've journeyed through a variety of puzzles, from simple riddles to more complex brain teasers. Each one required a different approach, from logical thinking to wordplay. Yet, they all share a common thread: the ability to challenge our minds, to make us see things from different perspectives, and to remind us that not everything is as straightforward as it seems. In the realm of puzzles and riddles, it's not just about finding the answer. It's about the journey of thought that leads us there. So, as we wrap up today's exploration, remember, the beauty of a puzzle lies not in its solution, but in the challenge it presents. Until next time, keep seeking, keep thinking, and keep solving.